Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. So you're right there, man. You check the thumbnail, we talking about the Nike Dunk Low Retro, Toasty Sequoia joints, man. And actually, I haven't seen no video, I haven't seen no picture of these shoes. I did, but I haven't seen nobody do no lace swap. And your boy, you know what I'm saying, you know me, Jared, the one, the only one did a lace swap. Come on, bruh. And I ain't gonna lie, I like them with the lace swap, because at first I was gonna just do a review for you guys so y'all could see, but I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and lace swap these joints. It's crazy, I got a whole box full of laces, different colors, anything. And I got the, you know what I'm saying, I did the lace swap. So y'all gonna see how these look, you know what I'm saying, in hand review and on field these joints. Like I said, it's a personal size. I'm gonna keep them, so why not? So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow all my platforms down below. Without further ado, man, let's get into the video. So like I said, man, we do these Nike Dunk Low Toasty Sequoia joints, man. The names sound a little funny. I'll try to look them up on StockX and go. I type in on Go to StockX, Toasty Sequoia, you know, it'll pop up. I tried like Nike Dunk Olive, Orange, whatever, but it didn't pop up. You actually got to type the name in so you can see the shoe. So I was like, all right. So the retail price was $110, so I typed like $118. Not too bad. The resale price on these is not going crazy at all. Then you get it for retail for real. Like in my size, I think the last offer was like 150, 155. That's then like retail, but I taxed like 175, 180ish, around that range. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, ever since I did the lace swap on these joints, I'm like, oh yeah. Let me go ahead and keep these bad boys. So I'm excited to show y'all the lace swap because, like I said, I haven't seen nobody did this at all. Nobody. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page. And on my TikTok, a lot of people liking the lace swap better. I don't like the original laces. Come with original laces of the shoe is olive. I don't like them laces at all. I put the orange joints in there. So, like I said, man, let's go ahead and get that shoe out. Y'all gonna like this lace swap. Watch, I promise y'all. Yes, sir. So, another thing about these Nike Dunks, you know, normally Nike Dunks will come in like in a red box. So, this shoe got about 20%. Was it 20% more of recycle? Yes, at least 20% recycled content on there. Y'all see it right there. You know what I'm saying? Something different than something in my collection, you know what I'm saying? Also got some other information on here as well. You know what I'm saying? So not too bad, not too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got that personal size 11 right there. Y'all can see it. Like I said, the retail price was $110. And it says Nike Dunk Low Retro and Sequoia, Orange, Medium, and Olive. Retail price was $110. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Let's look at these bad boys out. Bang! There they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low Sequoia joints, man.
I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth.
They call them Toasty Sequoias, but you know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna call them Sequoia for y'all, man. So y'all, like I said on that outsole, y'all see that recycle. Like I said, this shoe's basically made up of 20% recycle, so some different, you know what I'm saying, that in the collection. Some I could just throw on, you know what I'm saying, just to beat up or whatever, you know what I'm saying, just something to throw on. But these orange laces make this shoe pop even way better, man. Because like I said, it comes with sets of olive laces. Let me go and get them. It comes with sets of olive laces. But like I said, these orange laces didn't come with the shoe. It also comes with, you know what I'm saying, boom, it says right there, made with at least 20% recycled content. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Let me go get the other shoe out. I ain't gonna lie, they make the shoe pop even better. Make you want to get the shoe, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta get orange laces though. You gotta get the orange laces. Certain shoes, don't get me wrong, I mean, you shouldn't lace swap certain shoes, you just keep it how it is. But like a shoe like this, you look at it with the olive laces, you're like, man, them terrible. But when you got the orange laces in there, you like, okay, they don't look too bad at all. For even far away, like, oh, them hit. With that olive green, definitely hit for sure, man. So, like I said, it's gonna definitely be your own feet coming. But before we get the on feet going, let's go talk about the shoe, man. Like I said before, here on your outsole, you got your brown outsole. You see little speckles. So it's the recycling I was telling you about. You got 20% of recycled content on the outsole. Majority of the shoe is recycled, but most of it is on the outsole of the shoe. Go along the midsole. You also got your midsole recycled as well. You see a little speckles right there. The midsole is recycled as well, and then got your white with a little black. Was that black? A little bit of like olive green speckles as well. Toe box here, you got your olive green suede going along the toe box, so y'all can see a little bit better. Right here on the side panel, you got your orange leather Nike swoosh. And on the back of the heel, you got your orange with the stitched in Nike white back of the heel. And on the tongue here, you got your recycle on the tongue as well. And on the inside, it says Toasty. So around the sock liner of the shoe, it's like a fleece. So basically, this shoe is basically made for the winter time. So it may keep your feet warm, you know what I'm saying? Summertime, if I wear these, I won't wear no socks, you know what I'm saying? Because of the fleece, you know what I'm saying? Inside of the shoe, because it's like extra padding. Like basically, like I said, basically it's for like the winter time. Like a boot basically, but like an actual shoe, which is super dope as well. But like I said, if I wear this in summertime, I'm definitely gonna wear no socks. If you be like 95 degrees, I'm not wearing no socks with these. Your feet gonna be all sweaty. I'm just gonna wear no socks with these. Be super cool, super dope, you know what I'm saying? Something different in the collection. So man, this shoe is something like, it's not something too crazy, something to be like, oh, I need them, like whatever. I want to raffle on them on Foot Locker today. Well, actually, I won yesterday when I picked my pair up today. This shoe came out months ago, by the way, as well. In case y'all wondering, like, when this shoe come out, whatever. But I won this on Foot Locker app, you know what I'm saying, today, and picked up my pair today. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead. At first, I was like I said, I was going to sell them. But like I said, I was like, man, let me see if I got some orange laces. And luckily, I have some orange laces with these bad boys. And look 10 times better. Like I said, it ain't something like you like, oh, these fires. Like, they nice. But just like I said, something to keep in the collection, something you could just beat up, you know what I'm saying? So, not too bad. But let's go ahead and get this on feet going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate y'all showing love, man. I'm definitely coming with some more content. Like I said, your boy is back full effect, man. Hope y'all like my game chair, by the way. Super comfortable, super cozy. But like I said, your boy is back full effect, man. Let's get his old feet going. Jared, want to be right back. Let's get it.
You will only see some real niggas around me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang.
Yes, sir, I'm back from my own feet. So that's when I was telling y'all about the fleece inside of the shoe. So it's 11. The 11 fits me nice. But if in case you think about getting this pair or any like the Toasty collection, because they also got another color, the blue ones, but I like these way better. Go a half size up in these, because like I said, the fleece inside of the shoe, like the sock liner, it's like extra padding. I will go a half size up. You know, Nike Dunks, you didn't go true to size most of the time, but particular in this pair, like I said, because of sock liner, I will go a half size up. Like I said, this 11 fit me perfectly fine. So I'm just giving y'all a heads up in case y'all like, oh, the orange laces with those don't look bad. Just giving y'all a little heads up on it. And so the retail price on these was $110. Like I said, go to StockX or GOAT. They're not going for too much of a price. So you can easily, you know what I'm saying, just grab them. You know what I'm saying, catch your mount or anything like that. So not bad at all. But like I said, with the orange laces, make this shoe look 10 times better in my opinion. It just looks way better. With the olive laces, it's like, the shoe don't pop out. So I don't know why they didn't put like no sets of orange laces, because most of the time, certain shoes that become with sets of laces, but Nike Dunks don't never come with sets of like double laces or a set of another laces of the shoe. I don't know why they stopped doing that. They need to bring that back. So Nike, if you watching this video, go ahead and bring them double laces or a set of laces back, because easily if people saw these on this shoe, I mean, the shoe want to sell super crazy, But I think the market would have been a little bit higher on these, and you know what I'm saying, if that makes sense, because like I said, the orange laces look way better in these joints. Then I'm gonna throw them on this weekend, but I can't. I gotta wear my blue and white because Duke playing this weekend, man. I'm a Duke fan though, so comment down below, man. Let me know you go to North Carolina or you got Duke. Let your boy know down below. But yeah, man, that is it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. I know it's been super slow. You know what I'm saying? Not posting. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. But you know what I'm saying? Sometimes in the shoe stuff, you know what I'm saying, it get real slow. Real slow. But hey, like I said, a lot of stuff be going on. But hey, your boy's back full effect for sure. I got y'all. I promise y'all for sure. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Got another video coming for y'all tomorrow. Some more Nike Dunks. Not on feet, but a hand review of some more Nike Dunks. So be on the lookout for that video tomorrow. Make sure your push notification bell is on so you'll be the first one to know when I post, create shorts, anything like that. You'll be the first one to know. Like I said, man, I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Jordan1 is out. Peace.